Most men believe that the way to attract a woman is by chasing her, constantly calling her, and proving themselves again and again. But the truth is very different. Smart men, the kind women quietly desire, do the opposite. They don't run after attention. They reject things that most men are comfortable accepting. And because of that, they stand out without even trying. Here are the 4 things smart men refuse to do. Number 1, they refuse to chase attention. A smart man knows his worth without needing a reminder. He doesn't double text and he doesn't panic when she pulls away. Remember, you can drag a horse to the river, but you can never force it to drink. If she wants you, she will participate. Value yourself so highly that her attention becomes optional. Number 2, they refuse to lose respect just to make her happy. A weak man says yes to everything because he is terrified of losing her. He thinks this is kindness. She sees it as weakness. A smart man knows that boundaries show strength. If she cannot handle a no from you, she is not mature enough for your yes. Number 3, they refuse to be controlled emotionally. Mood swings, silent treatments, or tears do not shake him. Most men panic and apologize just to stop the chaos. A smart man stays grounded. He knows the tears are not blood. Women feel safe with a man who stays steady, not with a man who collapses whenever she changes her mood. And number 4, they refuse to settle for less than they deserve. If she doesn't match his energy, he doesn't nag or complain. He simply walks away. And walking away is power. Women only chase men who are not terrified of losing them. Smart men don't attract women by trying harder. They attract women by refusing the things weak men accept. When you act like a man who does not fear loss, attraction becomes effortless.